Gloria because she has a hole in her arm. Because when I bought her, I saw that, but I forgot to stitch it off. So right now we'll be doing it. So yeah, I got the needle right here, and yeah, so let's see. Okay, let's see if there's a good angle to do this at. Okay, it looks like I'll put this in fast motion. So yeah, so just gotta stick all the stuffing in there, in its arm. So yeah, I haven't done this much, so I don't know how good it's gonna turn out. Poor Gloria. Yeah. Just gotta do a couple more. Uh-oh, some stuffing is out. Oh no, wait, I gotta take it out. Okay. Wait, one second. Okay. Yeah. I'll put this in fast motion so it isn't like a long video or anything. There's probably about one more stitch. Now you just have to loosen it up a little bit. Then you have to knot it up, which I'm not sure I don't know how to do. Just putting the knot in right now.